Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tip of the week and kind of an overview of this week. I know that I've kind of done that with the content here on the website, but I wanted to do it kind of with what your expectations are this week. We're going to be delving in deeply into growth mindset and being a learner, which a lot of you talked about last week with the ISTE standards, and you focused on continuous learning as a teacher. And so you get to go into growth mindset, which is all about um, learning from failure, taking risks, and having that in yourself, but students as well. And so then you get to choose two after you watch the video, do the quiz, and take a screenshot of that. You can watch this video to do that. Then you can choose two of these resources to watch or listen to, or search, just explore. And you're going to then look at the presentation, and also this video is actually, I use this presentation, so you can just read or follow along with that. And it kind of just goes over what the content this week is going to be. And then you're going to go back and do another small group discussion board. And I tried to be more, to explain more about your responses and what I expect from those, and also your two questions you had. Instead of two for each point, you just have to do two. And pay attention this week as well in your small group. You will answer this question first. You'll do this part, and then you will just choose two of the important ideas from the resources you explored. Don't forget to give the APA citations and directly connect those to your thoughts on the discussion boards. You'll also be creating your Twitter account if you don't have one already, and begin working on your PLN assignment. This is really important. It's not due this week. It's not due until the end of week 5, but it has a lot of different components on it. So just go ahead and get started on that. It has to do with exploring Twitter, online communities, and all the neat things you can do to add to your PLN. And then your one assignment for this week, apart from your small group discussions, is your contact info page, which is so easy and straightforward. A lot of you actually already have that done. What I don't want you to forget is to turn it in. That's huge. And so you're going to do that. Now, here's my tip of the week. You need to start thinking about the two teachers that you're going to interview. And it's not due until week 8, but you need to start doing it early, because a lot of teachers get busy. They go on spring break. They do different things that they might not be able to work out their schedule with yours. And so I want you to start looking at and thinking about the two teachers you want to interview. One has to be one you know face to face. One has to be one that you learn about online, and you can learn more about that by going to that teacher interview. So my tip of the week, because you don't have a whole lot of other stuff to do, just your discussion board and your contact info page, get started on signing up for your teacher interviews. I want you to actually sign up for the teacher, and so you can go into that assignment and figure out what I'm talking about there. And that is really it, except to say that Unit 2 should have already been opened to you. It should have opened up earlier. And so we're in week 4. And remember, anytime you see that small group discussion board, it means you're going to go over to your small group area. And then this is the only assignment that you have to actually do this week, other than your discussion board. So that is it. Get started, get going. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't hesitate ever to ask me something. There are no stupid questions. So I look forward to hearing what you have to say about being a learner this week.